Hi guys, welcome to Taste TV. So today we're making Albondiga soup. So I have ground beef and some beef chorizo here in the bowl. I'm adding onion powder and leaf oregano to that. And once I get that all added, I will begin mixing it up. All right, so I'm also going to add some breadcrumbs here. Just about enough to taste. And then of course I have to add some shallots and garlic to this. And again, I don't really measure anything. I kind of just do it all to taste. So please adjust accordingly. And then I'm going to add egg and cilantro to that with some cumin, and I'm going to mix it all up and make my meatballs. Then I'm going to get my meatballs into some oil. I'm going to brown them. I'm going to use the same pot that I browned the meatballs in to start the base of my soup. So I'm going to start with adding some more shallots and onions, and then some hot tomato sauce to that. I think I'm going to add another can. And then I'm going to add some chicken broth and beef broth to that. And I'm going to add my carrots and celery and get that boiling there. And then I'm going to add my meatballs back in and bring that to a boil. And then when they're halfway done cooking, I'm going to add some potatoes to that. And let that boil for like another 30 minutes. And while that's cooking, I'm going to make some Spanish rice and pour it up to serve. And then you can garnish it with fresh cilantro, onions, and